Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why your REDMI Buds 6 Pro is not charging. Firstly, make sure that you remove headphones foil. When you bought new earbuds, you will have a foil on your earbuds. You need to remove it and then check it again, is it charging. Also, I recommended to clean charging contacts. So right here at the bottom of your earbuds we have charging contacts, the same for the right earbud, and also you can clean the charging contacts inside the charging case. And if you don't know how, at this channel we have video how to clean this earbuds, so you can check it. Also, you can open Xiaomi Earbuds application, put your earbuds to the application, then connect your charging case to the power, and if you see this lightning bolt on the left and right earbuds and at the charging case, meaning that your device are charging, so maybe you check it in a bad way. Also, I recommended to check is everything okay with your cable, so just change it to a new one, and also change an adapter, maybe your adapter is broken. And also check a charging port, is everything okay, if it is do not destroy it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!